Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to share my favorite travel clothes steamer with you. This Conair handheld travel garment steamer is so nice with its 8-foot long cord. I love that it gives me space to move around when I'm steaming. It's got a nice little on-off switch with the green light indicator and also a little water max fill line. One great feature about it is that it has an anti-spill feature. So once you put the steam head on, it's not going to spill out if accidentally dumped over, but also a very large steam head. So when I'm steaming clothes, such as a dress, I'm able to cover more area, and it just works so good to smooth and dewrinkle and freshen my clothes. Little less harsh than an iron, so I do love that. It has a wonderful, super fast 60-second heat up feature. So once you plug it in and turn it on, you're not going to be waiting too long. It's got a nice ergonomic handle, so it's very comfortable to hold. And I just overall love how quickly and easily that it takes out all the wrinkles out of my clothes. So whether you need to steam your clothes at home or on the go, this Conair travel steamer is the steamer for you. But that is just my point of view.